Welcome to YorkZucchi.com Insights. I wrote it here, a wonderful saying the other day that says, the rich stay rich by acting poor. The poor stay poor by acting rich. And I think it made me realize how many entrepreneurs fall in exactly the same trap. You have the difference really between an entrepreneur and an aspiring entrepreneur who's been around the block is essentially the fact that the aspiring entrepreneur thinks they need the brand new trailer, the brand new car, fancy office, modern expensive laptop, the latest Apple phone. The seasoned entrepreneur knows that a second-hand laptop does the job just as brilliantly. A great phone, unless you're needing to take specific pictures, that is reasonably fast does exactly the job that a phone that is priced at 3 times the way does it. So learn to differentiate between what you need and what you want. The wants are going to sink you. The needs are going to sustain you. Thank you for watching.